Hey everyone, welcome back to another tips and trick video on Microsoft Teams. Today I'm going to be showing you two neat buttons that I think would be very useful on helping you navigate through Microsoft Teams. Now these two buttons are only available on the desktop application and not the web browser. If we follow my mouse to the top left corner, we see the back and the forward button. Now if I go about my day jumping to different channels and working on different files and different tabs, I can simply easily backtrack where I was previously by selecting the back button. Of course, if I need to get to where I was before I went back, I can select the forward button and it'll take me to any place that I was at currently. All right, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button to be notified when we upload new tips and trick videos, and we'll see you next time.